Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have another unboxing for you to share with you today. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm here with BB and Charlie's off hiding as per his usual. I did better today. I got the camera set up before he ran away. Usually he sees the tripod and he bolts. Come on, BB. Hi. Hi. Come here. Come here. BB. No? Okay. She says, no thank you. Okay. This is from Wish. There's something down in the bottom. That's funny. There's the tools. I was like, oh, I got a surprise. No, I got tools. Let us see what this one is. It's a 30 by 40 full drill round, and it's of like a fiery red and a blue dragon fighting. I will put the image up for you. Let's peel the paper off and take a look at it. It's got a good number of colors for a 30 by 40. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 4, 2, 6, 28 colors. And they gave us an inventory sheet. The paper is one big sheet, so I'll have to cut that so it'll be ready to go. I'm getting good at cutting the paper, I tell ya. Actually, I'm not that good. Boy, I lie a lot. I say the wrong thing. I feel like I'm good at everything. That's what's happening here. I'm not that good, but I have no problem making mistakes, and then I just fix it. Like most crafting, you know, you make a mistake. No, you're painting, you paint the wrong color, or it doesn't look right. You just keep painting. Just keep going. I want to take a look at these colors. I see a lot of loose drills in here. If you can see, there's a lot. Something spilled. Interesting colors. I would think there'd be more red and blue, but there isn't. There's this of a dark blue. And oh, there's my open one. Okay, all right. I just got drills all over the bed. Okay, this is not cool when they do this. It's just that they're not careful cutting the package. And what I'll do is I'll take one of my little pots that I have, and I'll put that in there, and then I'll put the whole thing. Baby, you're scaring me. Put the whole thing into the bag. Oh, she's so loud. That just means that my delivery guy is here. So I'm trying to catch up on my unboxings, but I just bought too many at the sale. Is that a bad thing? I don't know if that's a bad thing at all. But I really did buy too many because I can't keep up with them all. And you gotta do the unboxings because you need to give feedback that you received it and it was all in one piece. So I have this amazing amount of unboxing videos on my phone. Okay, there you go. So I emptied that out and I put it into this little container. And, whoops, I'll put those together into the bag. So when I check the inventory, I know what I got. And I will check this and update the notes as to whether they're all there. Oh, I gotta fish out all those loose drills. Very nice little one, especially if you love dragons. If you really love dragons, I would get this in a bigger size. This is good for a smaller project. The detail isn't great, but that's just because I got it in a 30 by 40. They had this in like the huge sizes, 80 by 100 and really big. I'll make sure the picture's up. I'll make sure the inventory is done. And thank you so much for tuning in and joining me. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. You have a great day and happy diamond painting. Bye-bye. Baby, you want one? Okay. Look. Good girl, laying down. Good girl. Speak. Good, there you go. Charlie, you want a treat, Charlie? Come on up. Come on, Charlie. Here they are. Up. Oh, good girl. Come on, Charlie. He is not playing. He saw me turn that camera on. Lay down. That's a good girl. Oh, is that too big? I'm sorry. These are the smallest treats they have, and they're too big for baby. There you go. You want one? Oh, you came out. Come on up here. Come on, come see mommy. I didn't even have to say speak. Ready? Flip, flip, flip. Come on, flip, you can, oh, you walked in a circle. Good girl. Come on, Charlie. Come on up here. Oh, you want help? You know how to go up the stairs, silly boy. Oh, can't do it. Come here. Come on. Come on. That's Charlie Bear. Oh, he's a good boy. You want a treat? What do you do when you want a treat? Do you lay down? Baby, lay down. Good girl. Lay down, Charlie. Oh, good boy. He's a good boy. Up. Oh, good girl. Lay down is Charlie's only trick. He's a good boy. Baby, are you helping yourself? Here it is. Good puppies. Everybody's being good. Baby's a good girl. Yes, Charlie's a good girl too. I had to resort to bribing them to get them to come on camera. Oh, did you like that one? Lay down. Good boy. You trying to lick my fingers, baby? Speak. Good girl. Good girl. Charlie just hangs out, laying down, being a good boy. So Miss Mommy keeps the treats coming. Up, up. Oh, good girl. Look how tiny these treats are. And yet, neither one will eat a whole one. Charlie used to, but BB's teaching him how to be a picky eater. Good boy, you know to just stay there laying down. Mommy will give you a treat. Okay? Are we all done? All done. That's enough.